Hey guys, so I had this Che-suzu towed in. This thing with these flip cab units. It's a 3500 Chevy actually. At least that's what they call it. But it's an Isuzu based vehicle with a GM 6-liter in it. Got dragged in for a no start. Check this out. You see what I'm seeing there? Look at that. Transmission separating. And then, get this. The reason it's not starting, that's your shifter cable. You can never get it in park. You can never get it in neutral. It just flops all over the place. So, that's going to be my next thing, trying to figure out how to do something with this. Obviously, it needs a tranny, but we just need to get them back on the road for now. It's missing the lower bolt. It's actually snapped off. And it's actually inside. Let me see if I can focus in on that as well. You can actually see it in there. So I'm going to try to get that out, because if I can catch the bolt there and then on the other side and cinch it back together, might be able to help get him back on the road for now. Let me go to the other side for a second. It's one of these deals right here. And if you look on this side, you can actually see there's a break right there. And it snapped apart. And on this side, there's no bolt at all. The hole is open, so I'll see what I can do. And we'll go from there. So, I'll be on this one tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great night. Keep wrenching.